Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful daisy squares. It's so tiny and fluffy. I like it very much. For make this we will need a 3.5 mm hook and sport weight yarns. You can use any color you want, but I'll prefer white for the daisy. I will use green like the grass, but you can change this color if you want. If you are ready, push the subscribe button and let's start. We will start with the magic ring. Just take the yarn and wrap it around your fingers like this. Must be cross. Just take the yarn and pull it through. Just chain one and make a single crochet into the magic ring and make 7 more. Totally 8 single crochet. And it's 8. Close the ring. And slip stitch with the first chain you make. Now we will make popcorns. Start with a chain 3. Into the same place we will make 4 more double crochets. We have 5 double crochets with this 3 chain, and you can make the popcorns in 2 ways. First, wrap the yarn and pull it through. That's the first way. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 into the next single crochet, make 5 double crochet, and you can make popcorn like this. Turn your work. That's the first double crochet. Take the yarn and pull it through. Just turn your work again and chain 3. Make 6 popcorn more here into each single crochet side. I made my last popcorn and chain 3 and slip stitch with this first chain we make. Make a chain and cut the yarn. Now I will make a slip knot. If you want, you can join the yarn in this 3 chain hole and chain 3. Start with a chain 3. I'll make a standing double crochet, yarn over, grab the yarn, pull it through just the 2, these 2, and pull it again. That's a standing double crochet, and make 2 more. 1 and 2. Chain 1, and into this next 3 chain hole we'll make corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet again into the same place. Chain 1 and make 3 double crochet into next 3 chain hole, chain 1 and make a corner, and I will hide this tail here. Chain 2 and 1, 2, 3, and then I will make chain 1, and make 3 double crochet, chain 1, make the corner, 3 double crochet and corner. Then I'll see you. And I complete this row, just chain 1 and cut the yarn. And we will need a needle. Look, that's first double crochet's eye, and that's second, and that's finished. I will hide my tails and that's it. I hope you like it. I really like it very much. And I will show you a different way of attach them together. You can see this video in a few days in my channel. And my Instagram address is Sirin's Crochet. We can talk anytime you want. And don't forget to subscribe, please. And if you like it, push the like button. Hope to see you again.